Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, by this time next year, Tectonic token is expected to hit over 12 crypto listening by this time next year. And though it took them almost 1 year for Tectonic token to gain about 2 more listening, okay? It took them almost 1 year, and in the past 1 year, you can only buy Tectonic token on VVS Finance and also on crypto.com. So now, though they have come out to say that within the next 1 year, that community should expect over 12 top exchanges coming in for Tectonic token, and I believe they are working towards this day and night. I believe they are trying to partner with different companies, and I believe. But one thing I was kind of like thinking is, let this 12 listing at least 30% or 25% of these exchanges that are about to list Tectonic token within the next 12 months, at least 25% of them should be among the top 10 crypto coins. I mean, we're talking about Gemini, we're talking about Bitfinex, we're talking about Bybit, we're talking about Binance, Coinbase, Get.io, Kucoin, OKX. These exchanges I'm just mentioned, they need to list Tectonic token. So 25% of these 12 exchanges that we are waiting for should be among the top 10 crypto coins with the highest market cap. That is the only way I believe that, yes, even though we hit 12 listening within the next 1 year, Tectonic will definitely bump, Tectonic will rise, Tectonic will really increase in price. Please, we know that we don't have other exchanges that are not really supporting. Not that we don't have small cap exchanges that are also not that cannot help Tectonic token to really go far. We have, of course, Bitcoin is being ranked among the top 15 crypto coins, and they've been helping so many small cap coins to really stand fit. So I believe that 12 listening for Tectonic token is amazing. So this 12 listening in the next 365 days, 12 listening coming in the next 365 days definitely will help Tectonic to hit over 1,000 to 10,000% in 365 days. Of course, so I believe by this time next year, we should be recording about 12 crypto exchange listening Tectonic token. Like I said before, 25 to 30% of this exchange should at least be among the top 10 crypto exchange in the world. Yes, the top 10 crypto exchange in the world. These are the group that can force, these are the group that can manipulate, push a particular coin to really increase and stand fit. So I believe Tectonic token, whatever they are doing, they need to add these top 10 crypto exchanges. Please remember, this is on the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.